I wish you very happy 77th Independence Day. And I wish our country to be progress in everywhere, in anywhere, in all the aspects, so that all the other countries should be proud by seeing our country. So that should be our motto, that should be our aim of an Indian. Feeling the spirit of Indian independence, it is the day to remember the great heroes, the leaders of our nation who sacrificed, who suffered with great pain and humiliation to get the Indian independence. Because of that great heroes, today we got independence, we are living independently. We are living faithfully, cheerfully, trustfully because of these great leaders. So, everyone should move in their path. They inspired a lot. So many people are there who are unknown for this freedom also. We know only the known people who are on the screen. The people, they laid down, they sacrifice their lives to get this freedom, who are unknown. So for every them, we salute today. So today we are celebrating 77th. Of course, 77th means it became nearly 10 decades. Till today, 10 decades also, we remembering that heroes. Really, even though they are not there physically, but they are in the hearts of everyone. They are in the pages of everyone. Means a man or anyone should live like that. They should inspire everyone. They are inspiring now. Even though they are not there, what I am saying, they are not there. After 10 decades also, today because of them we are celebrating Independence Day. Why? Because they created the history. Victory is easy, and creating history, be a part of history is very great. So right now we are remembering like that. For everyone who are sitting here and saying, so be inspired and be a role model for everyone. See, you can see the people who inspired a lot like that. If you see back of them, they don't have a single amount of money also. They don't have the bank balance. But even though we are remembering them, because they did something for the country continuously in the history. That is the greatness here. Today, the great people, even though they are not there, we are remembering here. See, one man from the India, he went to America. He went to America and in a college like that, a meeting was going on. He asked, what is the meaning for success? Success means Vijayam. He asked, what is the meaning for the success? So one girl stood up and said that, sir, success means having a great wealth, to be beauty, to be energetic, బలం ఉండాలి, శక్తి ఉండాలి, బాగా డబ్బు సంపాదించాలి, బాగా అందంగా ఉండాలి. Like that, what happened? They are giving the words for this one. What is the meaning for the success like that? So that man who is giving a speech and asked about what is the meaning for the success, విజయం అంటే ఎవరైనా అడిగారో అతను ఏమంటాడంటే, మీరు సక్సెస్ గురించి చెప్పంటే అందంగా ఉంటే సక్సెస్, లేకపోతే బాగా డబ్బు సంపాదించే సక్సెస్, లేకపోతే బాగా శక్తివంతులైతే సక్సెస్, ఇలాంటివన్నీ దే ఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్. సో వాట్ ద మ్యాన్ టోల్డ్ మీన్స్ నో, they are temporary in this world. Beauty after few years like that, it will be exhausted. You can see a great heroine in this world like that, a beauty heroine in the world. Till today, what happens? She vanished because of her beauty. Means it will not exist permanently. Wealth also will not exist permanently. So what is the meaning for the success? Why you are remembering like that means no. He asked, you know, the names of your forefathers. Your grandmother, grandfather means few answered that I know the name of grandmother and grandfather. Again he asked that you know the names of your grandmother, all their grandmothers means few told that I know that. The second generation, third generation means before that 10 generations before you know the names means no, they told that we don't know their names. So that man, what he asked, no? He asked, you know, the God, Ramudu, Krishnudu, Buddhudu, like that, what happened, he asked? They told that immediately, I know the names of them. Today, even though they are not there, we didn't sing them, but we are praising them. Why? Because they did something for this world. Existence of world because of them. Like that, in this history, so many are there right now in front of us, they are not there, even though they are inspiring us. So, that is the greatness of our great leaders who are there in our country. Because of that, what happened, we are moving ahead. Again, who are there sitting here, for everyone I am saying, really, I'll feel very proud to be an Indian. I think you're also feeling very proud to be an Indian or not? So, Indian motto, to make our country pride when compared to all the countries, you should be always a role model. You should be like an inspiring person who should be there on the top of this. Whenever you are going on the road like that, someone by seeing you, they should clap that this boy did something for everyone. So, by this your name will arose like anything. Because of these great leaders, no, we got the freedom, and right now today in this meet we are discussing about the meet country. So many are there, by the birth they are zero, because of the great teachers like that who are there, making them become the hero. So be always like a hero. So not before ending this meeting, I want to say that really I feel very happy to be an Indian, proud to be an Indian. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, one and all. And the primary group.